Hello everyone. This time I want to present about Introduction to Real Analysis 1 Final Project. My name is Bernadinus Krida Estu Untara from Group 10. The Group 10 material is the Cauchy criterion, so we take exercise 3.5. I choose number 14. This is the question. The polynomial equation x power 3 minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0 has a root r with 0 less than r less than 1. Use an appropriate contractive sequence to calculate r within 10 power negative 4. This is the solution. Let x power 3 minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0 be the polynomial equation such that has a root r with 0 less than r less than 1. We want to find an approximate of a root r within 10 power negative 4. We will follow example 3.5.11. First, we write the polynomial equation. We get that x equals to x power 3 plus 1 over 5. We assign to x1 an arbitrary value between 0 and 1, so we get that 0 less than x1 less than 1. We define xn plus 1 equals to xn power 3 plus 1 over 5 for all n element of natural number. Before that, we want to prove that 0 less than xn less than 1 for all n element of natural number by using mathematical induction. For n equals to 1, we have that 0 less than x1 less than 1. So x1 is true. After that, assume that n equals to k, so that 0 less than xk less than 1 for all k element of natural number is true. We have before that xn plus 1 equals to xn power 3 plus 1 over 5. So we have xk plus 1 equals to xk power 3 plus 1 over 5. Since 0 less than xk less than 1 for all k element of natural number is true, so we get that 0 power 3 plus 1 over 5 less than xk plus 1 less than 1 over 3 plus 1 over 5. We get 0 power 3 plus 1 over 5 is 1 over 5, and 1 power 3 plus 1 over 5 equals to 2 over 5. So we get that 1 over 5 less than xk plus 1 less than 2 over 5. And we know that 0 less than 1 over 5 less than xk plus 1 less than 2 over 5 less than 1. It follows that 0 less than xk plus 1 less than 1. So xk plus 1 is true. Therefore, we can conclude that 0 less than xn less than 1 for all n element of natural number. Next, we will show that the sequence xn is a contractive sequence. We have absolute value of xn plus 2 minus xn plus 1 equals to absolute value of xn plus 1 power 3 plus 1 over 5 minus xn power 3 plus 1 over 5. We get absolute value of xn plus 1 power 3 minus xn power 3 over 5. We do a factorization and we get the absolute value of xn plus 1 minus xn multiplied by xn plus 1 power 2 plus xn plus 1 multiply xn plus xn power 2 over 5. Since 0 less than xn less than 1 for all n element of natural number, we get that xn plus 1 power 2 plus xn plus 1 multiply xn plus xn power 2 less than 1 power 2 plus 1 multiply 1 plus 1 power 2 equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. It follows that xn plus 1 power 2 plus xn plus 1 multiply xn plus xn power 2 less than 3. Okay, we get this and we continue calculating absolute value of xn plus 2 minus xn plus 1. So we have absolute value of xn plus 2 minus xn plus 1 equals to absolute value of xn plus 1 minus xn multiplied by xn plus 1 square plus xn plus 1 multiply xn plus xn square over 5. And by the fact before, we have that it less than absolute value of xn plus 1 minus xn multiplied by 3 over 5 equals to 3 over 5 absolute value of xn plus 1 minus xn. It follows that absolute value of xn plus 2 minus xn plus 1 less than 3 over 5 absolute value of xn plus 1 minus xn. We get that we can see c equals to 3 over 5. And it is true that 0 less than c less than 1, because 3 over 5 is between 0 and 1. Therefore, we can conclude that the sequence xn is a contractive sequence. Okay, hence, their axes are such that limit of sequence xn equals to r. Limit of xn equals to r. If we pass to the limit on both sides of the equality xn plus 1 equals to xn power 3 plus 1 over 5. We obtain r equals to r power 3 plus 1 over 5. And hence we get that r power 3 minus 5r plus 1 equals to 0. Thus, r is the solution of the equation. We can approximate r by choosing x1 and calculating x2, x3, blah 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 successively. For example, we take x1 equals to 0,25. We using corollary 3.5.10 to second. If sequence xn is contractive sequence with a constant c, we have c equals to 3 over 5 and 0 less than c less than 1, it is true. And if r equals to limit xn, then we have absolute value of r minus xn less than or equal to c over 1 minus c. We multiply absolute value of xn minus 1. We have c 3 over 5, so 3 over 5 less than 1 minus, 3 over 5 over 1 minus 3 over 5. We get 3 over 2. So the result is 3 over 2, absolute value xn minus 1. Okay, first we find x2. We input x2 equals to x1 power 3 plus 1 over 5. We input x1 0, 5 in there and we get 0,203,125. Okay, and we calculate absolute value of r minus x2 less than or equal to 3 over 2, absolute value of 0,203,125 minus 0,25, and we get equals to 0,0703125. Why I read 0703, I will describe later. We find x3, the same x3 equals to x2 power 3 plus 1 over 5. We substitute x2 and we get 0,2016762. And we find absolute value of r minus x3 less than or equal to 3 over 2, absolute value of 0,2016762 minus 0,203125, we get 0,0021732. And for x4 equals to x3 power 3 plus 1 over 5 equals to, we substitute x3 there, we get 0,2016406. So absolute value of r, x4 less than or equal to 3 over 2, absolute value 0,2016406 minus 0,2016762. So we get 0,0000534. Why I get that text is red? So because we do the approximation of r within 10 power negative 4. So we find that what I can say, we for example x1 equals to 0.25 and we get x2 equals to 0,203125 and we get absolute value of r minus x2 less than or equal to 0,0703125. So we want to find r such that we have 4 decimal place. So we can stop the equation if absolute value of r minus xn example, and we get that for that is less than or equal to 0,000, as we can see in the last. We have for 4 decimal place, we have all 0. Because of that, we for 10 power negative 4, if we have r minus x4 less than or equal to 0. Okay, for 4 decimal place. Do you understand? So because of that, for 4 decimal place, x4, we can see that 0,201646. We take only until 4 decimal place. Therefore, we get that 0,2016 is the approximation of r within 10 power negative 4. Do you understand? Okay, I think this is enough for by me. Thank you very much. I apologize if there is any mistake. If do you want to anything correct or any question, you can ask me. See you soon and stay home. Thank you very much.